Welcome to Psych with Sigmund, the show where we delve into the fascinating world of psychology and explore how it impacts our daily lives. Today, we're going to talk about a concept that has captivated researchers and the general public alike, the Marshmallow Test. The Marshmallow Test is a simple yet powerful experiment that was first introduced by psychologist Walter Mischel in the 1960s. In this test, children are presented with a marshmallow and told that if they can wait for a short period of time, usually around 15 minutes, without eating it, they will receive a second marshmallow as a reward. The goal is to see how long the child can resist the temptation of the marshmallow. But why is this test important in psychology? Well, it turns out that the ability to delay gratification or put off immediate pleasure for later rewards is a fundamental aspect of human development and has significant implications for our lives. Research has shown that children who are able to delay gratification in the marshmallow test tend to have better life outcomes, including higher SAT scores, better social skills, and even lower body mass indexes. One of the key psychological theories that explains this concept is self-control theory. Self-control refers to our ability to regulate our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in order to achieve long-term goals. In the context of the marshmallow test, self-control is necessary for children to resist the temptation of the marshmallow and wait for the reward. Another important theory related to the marshmallow test is the concept of delayed gratification. Delayed gratification refers to the ability to put off immediate pleasure or rewards in order to achieve longer-term goals. This concept is closely tied to self-control, as it requires individuals to regulate their impulses and desires in order to achieve their long-term objectives. Our understanding of the marshmallow test has evolved significantly over time. Initially, researchers thought that the test was primarily measuring a child's ability to delay gratification based on their personality traits or temperament. However, later research revealed that the test is also influenced by a range of factors, including environmental cues, social norms, and cognitive strategies. For example, one study found that children who were given a distracting task to do while waiting for the marshmallow, such as playing with a puzzle, were more likely to delay gratification than those who were simply left alone with the marshmallow. This suggests that environmental factors can play a significant role in influencing our ability to resist temptation. In terms of research findings, there have been numerous studies on the marshmallow test over the years. One classic study found that children who delayed gratification in the test at age 4 were more likely to have higher SAT scores and better social skills at age 14. Another study found that adults who were able to delay gratification in a similar test were more likely to have lower body mass indexes and engage in healthier behaviors. More recent research has explored the neural mechanisms underlying self-control and delayed gratification. Using functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, researchers have identified specific brain regions, such as the prefrontal cortex, that are involved in regulating impulses and delaying gratification. So, how can understanding the marshmallow test help us in our everyday lives? Well, my experience with clients has shown that developing self-control is essential for achieving long-term goals. By practicing delayed gratification, we can build resilience, improve our relationships, and even make better financial decisions. For instance, imagine you're trying to save money for a big purchase, but you're tempted to splurge on something impulsively. Recognizing the marshmallow-like temptation can help you pause, reflect, and make a more informed decision. Therapeutic approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, often incorporate strategies to enhance self-control, such as mindfulness, self-monitoring, and goal setting. In addition, understanding the marshmallow test can also help us in our personal relationships. For example, research has shown that individuals who are able to delay gratification tend to have better romantic relationships and are more likely to engage in pro-social behaviors such as volunteering and donating to charity. In conclusion, the marshmallow test is a powerful tool for understanding human psychology, revealing the intricate dance between pleasure, self-control, and decision-making. As we navigate our daily lives, Recognizing the marshmallow-like temptations that surround us can help us make better choices, build stronger relationships, and achieve our goals. By developing self-control and practicing delayed gratification, we can take control of our impulses and desires and create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. So, the next time you're faced with a tempting treat or a difficult decision, remember the wise words of Walter Mischel. The ability to delay gratification is a fundamental aspect of human development. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your ego find balance between pleasure and reality.